And a real woman has real dreams. Can buy her own things, cause a real woman has her own means.
Hey pretty girls with the popping curls, you are back here. Such a joy. I am Joy, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you share this video because it definitely helps me out. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And today is basically just like a, I'm just gonna be kind of talking and letting y'all watch. But I'm celebrating my birthday, and so I am out of town, and I forgot a hair tie, but I need to take these twists out. I started taking a little bit of mine already, but and so I am just this is a flat twist basically, and there's 2 layers in the back. And so yeah, so I'm just taking that out right now. And like I said, I forgot my freaking hair tie, so Corey has to help me hold my hair up. So let's get started so we can go. I'm hungry as heck.
You keep hitting me and I'm holding the camera.
Oh, come on, you gotta hold my hair now. It should stay focused now.
How my lips look?
Boy, be quiet. Everybody looking at your lips. They're looking at my hair. But yeah, y'all, so we are in here, hold this. We are in Baltimore for the 85 South show, but you already know that if you follow me on my other channel. And I had an itinerary, but everybody is just disregarding my itinerary. Like, we were supposed to have breakfast by 10, and I was gonna make the breakfast, but shut up, I was gonna make the breakfast. My best friend told me to cancel it because she was gonna make it, and it's almost 12 o'clock. And so if they're not ready by the time I finish taking my hair down, I'm leaving them and I'm gonna eat breakfast. Because I'm so hungry, like, and we'll have no water here. I'm improvising my hair right now. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, especially when you're out of town and you don't know where nothing at. But if you guys haven't done flat twists, you probably should try it out. Only because, like, I mean, you have to be careful taking it down because you don't want to create like a bunch of frizz. But I mean, that's with any style. You don't want to create a bunch of frizz. But plus I just got my ends clipped. So if y'all watched the other video, then y'all know that also. So my hair is like separating easier than it normally would if my ends weren't clipped. Boy, like, you know what I'm talking about.
I do.
Corey is my hair tie today, and he is the cameraman, making sure that it stays focused for y'all. And I'm not even gonna do like no extra separating because honestly, I just don't feel like it. So, however it come out, that's how it's gonna come out. But don't it look like I got crochet hair since it's back?
I told you it don't be looking real. You think I be joking? I be dead serious. But it's so real. Like, this is her real hair.
Hey, what the world?
Oh, sorry. My bad.
Be the ponytail holder and don't touch nothing else.
You got a little carried away.
It's not focused.
Oh shoot, hold on. My bad. I'm messing up.
So I want to tell y'all that my goals for my hair for 2020. So basically I want to try to find like a brand where it's like one of the most natural ones, and that I can use like the whole entire line. Like, I don't gotta be worrying about if it's gonna match well together or like, you know, like anything like that, because I just don't, I'm tired of having to do that. Even though, I mean, 2019 wasn't that bad. Like, I did like a really good job at finding products that sorry, I got a cold, that work well together. But yeah, and I'm gonna be using products that don't have coconut oil in it because I get like a lot of shedding, like handful of hair, and I've read that, and I've seen on social media that like coconut oil can sometimes be the culprit, because even though it's not a protein, it like acts as a protein, or something it does, and it can make, if you have like a protein sensitivity, it can make your hair break. It can make your hair like do a lot of shedding, I guess. And I don't know if I have that protein sensitivity, but I did want to just cut that out of my regimen and just see if that cuts down on like shedding. And that's why I did the hair mask too, because I feel like my hair needs to be detoxed. So, and I feel like that did definitely work a little bit, but I still had shedding last time, yeah. And I also got my ends clipped, because I know that was part of the reason that it was breaking too. Like, I just was getting like so many tangles and stuff, and fairy knots. Like, my hair is prone to fairy knots, so that's why I don't do like your arm is blocking my hair. That's why I don't do like too many, what's it called, wash and go. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get my hair to be more healthy. I'm definitely going to be working on my scalp this year.
Hold on, pause. Look at how it's hitting you. Look at the light. Ooh, that pretty brown skin.
Brown skin girl.
Look at that. Look.
Best thing in the world.
Exactly.
Skin just like pearls. So yeah, I just got a lot of stuff. And like I said, I'm gonna be working on my scalp. Also, I'm gonna be trying to make like my own hair products for myself and my family. Yeah, like let them try it out. I mean, it's nothing to like sell. I mean, unless like that stuff be popping and then like people ask me to make it and I'll make it and sell it. But at the beginning, I'm just going to be like using it on myself and my son and mom and Corey and okay, all my friends are natural, so I'll probably let them try it too. Basically,
shout out to the natural family.
So but yeah, just to get like different opinions with different hair types and stuff to see how it works. So if I was to ever decide that I wanted to sell it, I would have like different hair types trying it out anyway already. Yeah, so that's the goal for 2020, create some of my own hair products. So basically, like if you follow me on Instagram, and then I already had told y'all that like I'm tired of trying to find products that like have exactly what I'm looking for. And so if I make my own products, I can find exactly what I'm looking for. Like, if you can't find the change, then be the change. And so, and I mean, I have found this lady who make natural hair products, but it's like, it's too expensive. And then I have to ship it, and I like my hair products when I want it, but, and I mean, I guess I could order in bulk, but it's, yeah, I'm not. So, I can make it myself. There's enough videos that like give you tips, and I have enough knowledge that I know like what I want in it and what I don't, and yeah. So yeah, so that's the goal. And I'm trying to get my hair healthy, Logan's hair healthy. I've been, y'all know he has the little like hollow spot in the back of his hair, his baby hair. And so, can you stop? Because I can't pay attention.
Sorry.
So I can get that to growing, which I have been doing. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that like Logan can get braids like all the way down his hair now. And Corey has like dry scalp too, so something that'll work on his scalp and, you know, keep his hair soft, even though he found a product that works in his hair, but natural is always better. So yeah, so like basically I just wanted to update y'all on the hair goals for 2020. Also, it's to retain more length. So I mean, I do a good job retaining length, like don't get me wrong, but
Sorry.
But I just want to, I feel like I would be able to retain even more length if I was to get my ends clipped more often And I really was a person who like, oh, you don't need to get your ends clipped like often, but I need to because I get like fairy knots. Like I'm just prone to fairy knots, and then I be roughing my hair sometimes. So when I do that, I need to you know, get those clipped off. Like my hair has been such a breeze. I mean, it's my first time washing it since I got my ends clipped, but wash day was such a breeze. So I think I usually get it like cut yearly, because that's when I do a blowout. But I think I'm gonna try to, in 2020, I'm gonna try to do every 6 months, so like twice a year, and that way it won't be as bad when I finally get it. Okay, what's that doing? See?
Oh my goodness. Now you gotta
What?
do a whole bunch of everything.
Oh, and the tip I have, I mean, I think I gave like a lot of tips about like my twist outs, but if you're new and you haven't seen any of my tips, I twist my hair all in the same direction, whether I'm doing 2-strand twist, flat twist, 3-strand twist. I twist them all in the same direction, so when it's time for me to twirl it around my finger, I won't get confused as to which direction it's supposed to go, because when I used to like just be twisting them like randomly and just whatever way my hand decided to twist them, I would always like forget like which way it's supposed to be, because it was like so freaking confusing, and like it was the worst. I would be like twisting it the wrong way, then it get frizzy, and then I gotta try to like twist it the other way, and it was just too much. And so I had like looked up tips from different people, and that was something that I saw, and I made sure I twist it around the same direction that my natural curls go. At least I think that that was the direction. So I mean, my twist does be popping, so I'm doing something right. But I haven't done a flat twist in a while, so hopefully this comes out the way that I hope it does. Especially because I'm not separating the way that I usually would, but I just don't want to create too much frizz, so this is what we going with today. I used the Camille Rose with the aloe and some, it's something kind of gel cream, and that sounded like a souffle to me. Well, at least the Maya Organics curling souffle or twisting souffle that I like to use, but like I said, I don't want to use stuff with coconut oil, and basically I think all her lines have coconut oil, so I won't be using that in 2020. I'm sad, but yeah, so I bought the Camille Rose one, and I mean, it was kind of expensive. I mean, not kind of, like, it was expensive, but I mean, I don't want coconut oil, so had to do what I had to do. It's so crazy because my hair don't even look like it's as long as it is.
It's a little curly.
I know, but I'm just saying, like, people who don't know about natural hair wouldn't know that, like, my hair is that long. Like, no, I used the wrong one.
You see how I dropped that for you?
What you drop?
The mixture that you got in your hair.
Oh, I didn't even pay attention.
It just fell right into you doing it. Good, baby. Karen, you're up next.
I think next time when I do a twist out, I'm gonna grab smaller sections when I'm twisting. That way I don't have to like separate.
I mean, I can help you. I know what I'm doing by watching you do the last 50.
No. First of all, you are not putting your hands
Can
on
I,
my
can I
head.
do the last one, please?
No. Heck no, you should have did one in the back. You know, I'm not about to let you do one in the front.
Why not? This is all you do is pull them apart.
No, sir.
Bro.
Alright, and that's where you stop at, because it's gonna start when it get to my scalp. I need to do it. Especially you about to do the one on top too. Heck no.
I was doing good. That looks sweet like that.
You pissing me off.
What?
What is this piece? There's like a big gap in my hair. Like up in here. Okay, y'all, so my hair is my hair is finished. I'm not gonna do any more separating to it, only because I feel like if I do any more separating, it's gonna like create frizz, and honestly, that's like the last thing I want, because I don't want frizz in my pictures, and I'm probably gonna wear it like to the side tonight when we go out. And I made sure I like tried to make a little part in there so we could do a flip over. I look just like myself again. Go subscribe to our channel, CB and JPENT. What the?
I just want to give you a hug.
What the? CB and JPENT to see the best friend versus a boyfriend challenge. So yeah. But anyway, y'all, this we end this video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below if you like the way my hair came out. I think I would definitely, let's see if I can focus. I think I'll definitely be doing a flat twist out again. I'll probably be using this product again because I actually like that also. But yeah, and don't forget to share this video because it definitely helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you.
Everything I work for, everything I got, now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him too. I heard he keep his promises and never turn on you. I heard he ain't gon' cheat and he gon' never make no move. I heard he be there anytime you need him, he come through. Now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for him.